Hello all, welcome to the day 44 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Basketball and soccer are played with a spherical ball. Even though an athlete dribbles the ball in both sports, a basketball player uses his hands and a soccer player uses his feet. Usually soccer is played outdoors on a large field and basketball is played indoors on a court made out of wood. The projectile of soccer and basketball are in the form of parabola representing quadratic polynomials. Question 1. Write the zeros of the polynomial by using the above graph. Now looking at the graph touches the x-axis at one point, say x is equal to 1. This shows that the polynomial has two identical roots. That is x is equal to 1 is one 0 and x is equal to 1 is another 0 of the polynomial. Question 2. Form a quadratic polynomial for the above graph. From the graph we understood that the roots are 1 and 1. That is alpha is 1 and beta is 1. Alpha plus beta, that is the sum of the roots, is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2, and the product of the roots alpha beta is equal to 1. Let's use this format to form the equation. X square minus sum of roots times x plus product of roots. That is x square minus sum of roots is 2, x plus and product of roots is 1. So the polynomial is x square minus 2x plus 1. Question number 3. If a and 1 upon a are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus x plus 8k, then find the value of k. The given roots are a and 1 upon a. The given polynomial is 2x square minus x plus 8k. Dividing this polynomial by 2, we get x square minus 1 upon 2x plus 4k. That is, we have written it in this form, x square minus sum of roots times x plus product of roots. Now comparing these two, we get sum of roots is equal to half and product of roots is equal to 4k. The given roots are a and 1 upon a. Let's take this case of product of roots. A into 1 by a is equal to 4k. 4k is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1 upon 4. So this is the value of k. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.